Okay, so here's my Lasko 18-inch oscillating table fan. And I had to, and this is, and I basically fixed the problem of the performance. So, the problem was, the blade that I was using was the original blade, which is the blade that's right here. Unfortunately, the blade has, unfortunately, it is way too big and heavy for the motor that's inside that the fan has, and that's how it was in the in all the videos that I made of the 18-inch Lasko table fan. So now I have the 16-inch Optimus fan blade inside of it, and it actually works pretty well with it now, and because it's got 5 blades. And what's even funny is that even though it's not the original blade, it even sounds like a Lasko Cyclone pedestal fan, which is why I'm keeping it on there every time I make a video of it. So let's get a close-up look on it. Right here, here's the badge. There are the blades, you can see. Kind of surprised Lasko didn't even make a 16-inch version with the flower petal blades. For some reason, I really don't do. They never made a 16-inch blade prop with. They never made a 16-inch prop of one of these, but yeah, here's the side and the back. Of course, and it's got, of course, your the oscillation and 3 speeds, of course, and the bottom. I'm gonna pull the cord through. Which, oh wait, okay, that's the wrong side. Okay, my bad. And of course, there's 5 tilt positions, as you guys may know. I mean, it's not fully 90 degrees, but it's there. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. And we'll go ahead and plug it in. And we'll go ahead and I'm gonna put it in the frame. And start up on high speed. And that's actually whipping out a pretty good breeze. Not gonna lie. And actually, you might not be able to hear it, but it even sounds like a Lasko Cyclone pedestal fan. A little bit, actually. I'm actually surprised. Comment down below. Let me know in the comments if you actually agree with me that if it sounds like one, even though it's a lot quieter and 16-inch blade set. Also, I forgot to mention, if you're wondering, there's the base down there. This is what it looks like. With the silver ring attached to it, just to the skates, of course. So, there's high. This is medium. Still blowing a pretty good breeze. It's not too much. And there's low. I think it's just the design of the grills that make it sound like that. I really don't know. Let me know in the comments what's making it sound like a Lasko. A Lasko Cyclone pedestal fan. That's what it is. That's the lowest tilt position. There's on tilt position 5. And it's working pretty good. Yeah, it's really good, but it performs a lot better with this plate, as you guys can tell. There's spin down. Alright, so anyways guys, thanks for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.